So what is on my mind today? What is on my mind? I'll tell you guys in a few. Just stay tuned to find out what is in my mind today. That was my first job. So guys, what's on my mind? I am thinking that 2023 has been good to me. I have a job. I have a car. And that's thanks to God. Because I prayed for both and I got both. So I'm thinking next year I'm going to pray and fast for a house. That is what is on my mind right now. But I'm also thinking of many other things that I don't want to start explaining today. Yeah, basically, I'm so glad and I'm so happy by the fact that I was able to achieve my goals, this year. Through hard work, believing and praying, fasting, and a lot of other things. So tell us this year, what have you achieved and what were your New Year's resolutions for 2023, and if you guys achieved them. Please leave a comment below and tell us what was your dream this year and if you achieved it, guys. So guys, let's make sure we set our New Year's resolutions before the beginning of next year. And we need to have a plan on how we are going to achieve them. Oh, I think my windshield is dirty. So the dreams are like, a vision. Need to be clear of where you're going. So there's a junction. Good, let's go. Yeah, so your dreams are like a vision, something to guide you, and they should be clear, like specific, so that you can be able to know which moves you're supposed to make, what strategy you're supposed to use, and need to know where you're going so that you don't end up just anywhere. So remember, the devil is always in the details, and he's working night and day to make sure you guys don't achieve your goals. So you need to put your trust in God. That's all I can say. Just put your trust in God, believe in your goals, and man, you're going to achieve them. Let nobody ever lie to you that you don't need God, man. You need God to succeed in this life. Welcome to the city. Long live Block Z. Z. Today I was number 7. Guys, it's time to leave town. It's around 6:39. Let's go. That's the city for you guys. The rush hour city traffic. Nairobi. Hey. Fuel is at 217. Woo, let's go. Let's take it to 500, guys. Traffic already at Uhuru Highway. Guys, it seems like all my dreams are getting answered even before I talk about them. Yep. Looks like we are getting that house next year. Let's go. Woo! Woo-hoo! Feels so good to be successful, man. Let's go. Yo, man. 7. It's pitch dark. Yeah, so guys, I'm getting into traffic and I don't want to bore you guys with traffic. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to always trust in God so that you can achieve your dreams. Let's go. See you in the next video.